What if your soul has a hidden God given design waiting to be rediscovered? The concept of the Bible in a biblical sense refers to the deepest part of who we are in our essence. It's what connects us to God and to our true purpose. But what happens when we feel disconnected from that essence? This video will explore how to reconnect with our soul's intended design. Many of us struggle with feelings of burnout, emptiness, or just living out of alignment with God. We might feel like we're just going through the motions without any real sense of purpose or fulfillment. It's like we're living someone else's dream rather than our own. This can lead to feelings of frustration, anxiety, and discontentment. These struggles are common though, and they're often a sign that we're deviating from our original design. When we're not living in alignment with our values, passions, and strengths, we can feel drained, unfulfilled, and disconnected from our soul. It's like our soul is whispering to us, hey, something is not right here. But the good news is that we don't have to stay stuck in this place. For the Lord restoreth my soul. We can take intentional steps to reconnect with our soul and live a more authentic, meaningful life. It's a journey of self discovery, healing, and growth. So, what are these practical tools we can take daily? One step is to practice mindfulness. This means being present in the moment without judgment or distraction. It allows us to tune in to our thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations and to connect with our inner self. Now, the most important step is to align with God and His will. This means seeking His guidance, His wisdom, and His love. It involves surrendering our plans, desires, and fears to Him and trusting that He has a good plan for our lives. When we're aligned with God, we can experience a sense of peace, purpose, and direction. Setting healthy boundaries is another essential one. This means learning to say no to things that drain us and yes to things that nourish us. It involves prioritizing our own needs, desires, and values and communicating them clearly to others. When we set boundaries, we can protect our own time, energy, and emotional well being. It's not about being selfish. The idea that true fulfillment comes from aligning with our authentic self is powerful. It means that we don't have to try to be someone else or live someone else's dream. We can be ourselves with all of our strengths, weaknesses, and quirks. This journey of self discovery and growth is accessible to everyone, regardless of their past. In fact, it's never too late to start. We could begin by taking small steps like practicing the mindfulness talked about, seeking God's guidance, or setting healthy boundaries. And as we journey deeper into our soul, we can experience a sense of healing, wholeness, and restoration. Restoring your soul is a process of self discovery, a journey of healing without destination, and intentional living. It's about learning to listen to our inner self and to align with our values, passions, and strengths. This journey can lead to greater peace, purpose, and fulfillment. And if you're someone who is on this journey, I'd love to hear from you. Share your own experiences or tips for reconnecting with your soul in the comments below. And if you're interested in more content on personal growth and well being and about the soul, consider subscribing to our channel and watch my series on understanding the soul. Click the link below. Thanks for watching. God bless and stay hopeful.